Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Asad Yaqub and I am from Lahore, Pakistan. Thank you very much guys that you liked my first video of Ielts speaking test, and now I'm going to conduct your second test. Second test actually. So are you ready for that? Very good. Whenever I ask you a question, just listen to the question carefully and answer loudly. Okay, do not just answer in your heart, answer loudly, and sit alone in the room and then just feel that actually you are taking this test, and follow the clock as well, which I'm showing you with the video, like 10 seconds, 20 seconds, 10 seconds for part 1 questions, 2 minutes for part 2, and try to speak at length for 2 minutes, and in part 3 try to continue your answer up to 20 seconds. So let's take a start. My name is Asad Yaqub and I am your Ielts speaking examiner. What's your name? Do you work or are you a student? Alright, so are you ready to take your Ielts speaking test? Okay, let's take a start. Which social media websites do you use? How much time do you spend on social media sites, and why or why not? What kind of information about yourself have you put on social media? Is there anything you don't like about social media? Do you think children should use social media? Do you believe in the news you get on the social media? Okay, we now move on to IELTS speaking part 2. You will have to talk about the topic for 1 to 2 minutes. You have 1 minute to think about what you are going to say. You can make some notes to help you if you wish. This is your topic and you have the pen and paper. You have 1 minute now to think about the topic and to write down some notes. Your time starts now. You now have to speak on the topic for 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, now let's move on to IELTS speaking part 3. Why do some people buy lots of things for their home? Do you think it is very expensive to make a home look nice? Why don't some people care about how their home looks? In what ways is living in a flat or apartment better than living in a house? Do you think homes will look different in the future? Do you agree that the kinds of homes people prefer changes as they get older? That is the end of IELTS speaking test. May you have a fantastic day. Okay, so guys, just tell me honestly, how did you feel during the test? Share your feelings with me, share your feedback with me, comment this video, and I'm curious to know the way you felt and all that. If you like this video, do tell me. I'll make a lot of speaking videos, and now you can practice your speaking on my channel as well. Okay, this was my own idea. One day I was shaving and I thought about IELTS speaking and I came up with this idea. So anyways, if you like it, please tell me about it and give me your feedback so that I could make more videos for you. Well, that's all. Please subscribe my channel, like my Facebook page, Asad Yaqub IELTS, and I teach IELTS online. If you want to join my online IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub wishes you all the best with IELTS speaking. Take good care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.